So ChatGPT just dropped like 9 days ago, I think, and everyone's kind of obsessing over features. But here's the real deal. Features don't make you money, opportunities do. And while most people tinker with prompts, I spent 48 hours mapping out 12 real business plays that ChatGPT 5 unlocks. Opportunities that exist right now before everyone else even catches on. And these aren't like theory. I've scoped demand and I'll show you how to validate each idea in 2 days or 48 hours, because when a tech shift hits, only early movers win. And this has happened many times before. So, how it's organized basically, so you don't get overwhelmed. I broke it into 3 timelines so you can pick what fits your bandwidth. The first ones will be immediate plays. Those are basically 0 setup ideas. Then we will have short-term plays, which are like 1 to 3 months to build. And then we have longer bets, which take like 3 to 12 months to build and need a bit more learning and energy from your side. So match one to your skills, validate fast, and be the first one in your niche. So the first 2 are pretty simple. At first we have vibe coding, which is where you basically use ChatGPT 5 to generate 80 to 90% of the code you're writing, and you just have to handle logic, design, and polishing, which you can also use the help of ChatGPT. It's how solo developers are currently pulling in hundreds of dollars per day. You can start with like 3 example apps, find local businesses, offer to build quickly, and charge per project or support. And while most developers grind line by line, you will be delivering products in a few days or weeks at tops. In second place, we have content on demand. ChatGPT 5 writes like a human, deep industry context and zero fluff. Well, not zero, but almost. And agencies are using this. They are doing like 6 figures in MRR. So you can build 10 to 15 niche-ready samples, then pitch like 5 companies at first, and you give them a done-for-you content calendar. It's immediate. Another idea is real estate AI agents. Here you will need a little bit more time to understand how to build them, but still not long term. ChatGPT 5 can now have deep contextual conversations, so you can build an AI that qualifies leads, for example, for real estate agents, and they can book showings 24/7, so you don't even need to like check in on them. It's like a worker that never gets sick and just always is happy to come to work. So you can partner with one agent, use their scripts, connect to their CRM or calendar, and let GPT-5 book meetings, all while automating their pipeline. In fourth, we have medical transcription automation. Here you also need to learn a bit more. ChatGPT nails health data. You can build a secure HIPAA compliant pipeline that turns messy medical notes into clean documentation. Pilot it with a small practice and show you can stash their admin time, and doctors will pay for that, and thank you. And if you have any questions about these topics that I'm talking about, you can just ask ChatGPT to expand on those ideas and tell you basically how you can make money from those paths. I'm just giving you ideas here. In fifth, we have AI transformation consultants. Every industry is like confused about AI, so you can just pick any industry, anything that you like healthcare, construction, whatever. You can map their workflows and show them how to cut costs or boost revenue using AI. And these gigs can pay like 6 figures and then turn into monthly retainers. At sixth, I forgot to mention there's another thing in the immediate part. Basically, you can create hybrid AI customer support. You can let GPT-5 handle FAQs or frequently asked questions and low-hanging support, and let humans step in for complex cases. So you get faster service, cheaper operations, and friendly support. You can target high-ticket niches like e-commerce and sell it as a flat rate monthly package. As number 7, we have automated business research. Decision makers drown in noise, and you can filter it. Use GPT-5 to synthesize trends, competitors, and strategy into easy insights, daily reports, or even dashboards. You can get great margins and sell as a one-off or a subscription, as you wish. At 8, we have legal document drafting AI. You can create contracts, NDAs, lease agreements, all repetitive legal tasks. ChatGPT drafts them quickly and you review. You can charge per document or bundle them. It saves time and cost, and small firms want to buy it. At ninth, we have AI-powered business model generator. It's basically where you turn startup napkin ideas into investor-ready business plans with pricing, customer acquisition, revenue forecasts, consultants, and etc. And people charge 4 to 5 figures, and you can too with AI speed. And the last three are a bit more difficult ones, the ones where you'll need to learn for at least 3 months to make it actually work or to create it. At number 10, we have investment research platforms, which basically investors want insight, not data dumps. And you can build a ChatGPT 5 powered dashboard that scans markets, news, filings, and surfaces actionable signals. It's basically a subscription model that you can create behind this. And if you deliver insights before the market hears it, then the payoff is massive. At 11, we have custom AI training programs where companies, every company basically needs to reskill quickly. You can create a ChatGPT 5 powered training that's tailored per role. It's interactive, personalized, and metric tracked. And onboarding and retention improvement is basically achieved. At 12, and the last one, we have predictive BI dashboards. Use past performance and market data to forecast what's next for logistics, retail, manufacturing CEOs. And these predictive analytics equal basically fewer surprises and better decisions. You can build dashboards or report packages and they will pay you handsomely. So what is your next move? Like, how can you monetize this? I would advise you to pick one immediate opportunity out of all of these 12. Spend 48 hours validating, like test it with 10 contacts, build an MVP and ask for feedback. And if just 3 people say yes, then you found your winner. Because the difference between viewers and winners is urgent action. And then you can let me know basically which one you're trying in the comments down below. And if you want to run a live with me and other makers, then you can also text me and I will create a community so we can do something like that together. We will walk together, basically test together and win together. I already have a small community where me and a few of my friends are building some things together. So if you want to join that, then shoot me a message on Instagram or here in YouTube comments. If you want some walkthroughs, for example, building the GPT-5 real estate agents or transcriptions, then tell me and I'll just make it. And let's cut to the specs, build the business and start today. Let me know if